Jai Hind everyone, welcome to another video class. I hope that you all are fine and healthy as well. In the same continuation of the chapter coal and petroleum, we have done up to the mining, excessive of the mining, crude oil and the petroleum in our nature. What causes and which kind of effect it will give us on our daily life that we already learned. So today in this chapter we are going to close it with a short discussion. And the topic will be the limitation of the sources. Yes, as we all know that coal, petroleum and the crude oil kind of thing, these all are natural resources, very important natural resources, but all they are, very limited in our nature. Over the year, we already used, too many kinds of vehicles we have, too many kinds of utilities we have, and they all are dependent upon single kind of thing that's called fuel. And this fuel is coming from these kind of two important natural resources. First is coal and the second is crude oil and the petroleum product as well. So today we will going to discuss about the same thing, that the limitations are there. So what is the scope and what kind of the effect it will take place on in our future. As we all know that crude oil and the coal, they are kind of fossil fuels and they form over millions and billions of years inside our nature. Decomposition methods are different, but still they all are the fossil fuels. So, and the second hand, we can say that suddenly we cannot stop using these kind of fossil fuels. But in the other hand, we all know that these all are limited. So one day it will get over, and it will. So what will be the alternative of this? Because this is a very scary question, that if all the fossil fuels, that means the crude oil and the coal, will get over, what will be happen, or what will be the alternative of it? Because we cannot stop using suddenly these kinds of things, that we know that they are all limited. So obviously it is not like that we are stop using it suddenly. So we should have to find out any alternative of this kind of things. Even this kind of situation is also termed as energy crisis, because most of the power plants, just like thermal power plants, our vehicles are all depend upon these fossil fuels especially. So what if all this kind of natural resources will run out? Here PCRA, that means Petroleum Conservation and Research Association, gives some suggestions to for our future. They are just like that: drive at constant and moderate speed, do not use accelerator quite often. That means if you use accelerator more and more, so obviously the vehicle or the engine demands more fuel to burn it. Second point, he says that switch off the engine at traffic lights when you have to wait for someone. Obviously we should not use our engine very uselessly or very unnecessarily. Third point, main correct type user. Okay, main correct type tire pressure. Tire pressure means that if tire pressure will be very less, so obviously it will get a load over the engine. Last is get your vehicle serviced at a regular interval. This is the most important part, that your vehicle should be serviced in a regular kind of manner, a regular interval of time, so that it consumes less oil than the regular one. Because if your engine gets very old or it's not serviced, obviously the efficiency of your engine will be less. It demands more fuel from the now situation. So these are the few suggestions given by the PCRA, but rather than, we also have to follow some norms, follow some guidelines also to protect our natural resources as well, because this is our future, that all our resources will be get over. So obviously we have to be prepared and we have to be conscious for it. And also we all know that we should find out some alternative against of it, that means against the natural resources, so that in future maybe we will depend upon these kinds of things, not on the natural resources 100%. So it's all about today. We will meet in the next week and with a new video. and I hope this is understood by all of you, that how the natural resources are important to us and what kind of crisis is actually waiting for us in the future. Thank you and Jai Hind.